In this video, we will walk you through how approvers can manage approvals in Peakflo. The approver will get an approval notification through email or WhatsApp based on their preference. By clicking on the link, they can access all their pending approvals under the My Approvals tab. In this example, we will walk you through how to check and approve bills. By clicking on the bill, you'll be able to see the details of the bill, pending approvals, bill line item details, and its audit trail. By clicking on the three dots on the right corner, you can edit the bill, send the bill as an email, decline, or return the bill to draft. If all the information is correct, hit Approve to approve the bill. You can also bulk approve bills by ticking the box next to the bills and clicking on Approve. If you are the last bill approver, you will receive a notification to let you know that the bill will be scheduled for payment based on the due date after your approval. The approvals can also be managed through mobile. Once you receive the approval notification, click on Review and Approve, and you'll be taken to the mobile view of My Approval. Check the bill details and reject or approve the bill. If the bill needs to be edited or some information is still missing from the bill, you can return the bill to draft by clicking on the three dots on the top right of the bill window and clicking on Return to Draft. You can leave a comment and tag a stakeholder to let them know what needs to be changed. You can also skip leaving a comment. The comment will be reflected in the Peakflo timeline and the tagged person will get a notification. When tagging someone in the comments, if you want to send the notification to bill creator and bill viewer along with the mentioned user, then click the box Notify Creators and Viewers. Bill creator is the user who created the bill. All bill approvers are added as bill viewers. Default viewers from vendors are added as bill viewers. Anyone mentioned in the bill is added as a bill viewer. Rules can add bill viewers. And if the user is a budget admin, then the user is a bill viewer. If you don't want bill viewers and creators to get notified and only want the person whom you've mentioned to get the comment, you need to untick the box Notify Creators and Viewers before clicking on Write Comment. The tagged person can check the comment and communicate easily through the timeline. To decline a bill, open the bill window and click on the three dots on top right side of the screen and click on Decline. You can leave a comment and tag a stakeholder to let them know why the bill is being declined. You can also skip leaving a comment. The comment will be reflected in the Peakflo timeline and the tagged person will get notified immediately. For more information, check out our help portal at help.peakflo.co or send us an email to support@peakflo.co.